We are joined now by Aaron Cash of Garage Living. Aaron, so good to see you.
Nice to be here.
And Aaron, today we're talking about mental health. And why are we in a garage? I mean, what are some things, or one thing rather, you can do in a garage to help your mental health?
Well, I would say first off, so many studies have shown that clutter generates anxiety and stress, and the garage being the front door for most homeowners. What's in the garage and how it's kept and everything that you have in there, how it's organized, sort of sets the stage for your day, whether you're leaving in the morning or coming home at night. So really taking care of that, taking care of the whole space and making it a source of tranquility.
Yeah, it feels like you can breathe when you got space there.
Yeah.
If you had to do the very first thing in the garage to get that effect, what would it be?
So it's interesting because the garage floor is the one part of the garage that keeps it a dirty space most of the time.
So we have some samples over here.
Yeah,
What would
so-
be a good choice?
Garage Living applies a product called Floortex polyaspartic coating, and that completely transforms the garage from dirty and dusty to clean and bright and very easy to clean. And it really sets the stage for installing other items that can help keep the garage clean and organized.
Show me some of those other items. How else can I get organized?
So what we have here is our Technic cabinetry system. And this is one of a number of cabinetry systems that Garage Living supplies and installs. And this is to get items behind closed doors. So you've cleaned all your stuff up, you've purged, you've gotten rid of things. Now you have a plan of what you plan to keep. And this is a way to keep things organized. So it can be anything from all of your tools, neatly stored and put away.
Wow. Yeah, that looks phenomenal.
If you have OCD, this is perfect for you.
Yeah, I've got it. Perfect.
And then
That's beautiful.
You can have things like behind this door here. Yeah, you can have all of your fitness.
Wow.
So really everything that you're planning on keeping can be stored in a neat and organized way. And then you can incorporate something like a TV into the garage.
Yeah, that's
Whether that's for watching the game with friends over, entertaining a little bit, or, watching a YouTube video when you're doing a project. So it creates a multi-purpose space, which is quite exciting. And then even behind that, everything has a storage. So
Wow.
you can even, make use of the space behind there.
That's great. Aaron, we're running out of time. How can people get a hold of Garage Living?
GarageLiving.com. You can find all of our locations and get in touch with someone to start the process.
Okay, great. So it's not only about fun in the garage, but also your mental health.